Are you ready to travel to virtually explore the world? Join me on today's adventure to the Grand Canal. The Grand Canal is located in Venice, Italy, and is the main waterway through the city. And the city is made up of over 100 teeny tiny small islands. The only way to get around is by boat or by foot. No cars allowed. What you will need for this field trip is a computer with Google Streets access. Are you ready? Andiamo!
In Google, search for the Grand Canal of Venice. On the results page, you'll see the map view, but before we click, make a note of that red line. It's showing us where the canal is, so when we click, we can recognize the Grand Canal on the bird's eye view map of Venice. Let's zoom in using the wheel on your mouse or the zoom tools here on the right-hand side. I want to zoom in close to the Rialto Bridge, which is right over here. So zoom with your cursor close to it, keeps it centered on the page. And there we go. Now let's grab our street view friend, Pegman, down here in the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to click, drag, and drop along the blue line here in the water. And here we are. We're in Venice. And this is the Rialto Bridge. One of the guided activities is to learn more about the Rialto Bridge and what makes it unique. To change your perspective, you can click and drag to look from side to side or 360 degrees. To move forward, use the mouse on the water and cruise forward. Venice is such a unique city because there are no cars. People get around by boat or gondola in a unique experience. As you cruise down the canal, take the moments to stop and look to your left and look to your right at the buildings floating on the water. So not only can you explore the canals in Venice, you can wander the streets. So let's go back using the left arrow in the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to come on over to the Piazza San Marco, right over here. And drop our street view friend over on a blue line. The blue dots are photos that users have uploaded. So let's stick to the blue line and drop. And I got one of those blue dots. You can tell by the upper left-hand corner. So I'm gonna go back and zoom a little bit closer. I especially wanna see another bridge. So let's zoom in close. Here, I'm going to drop my friend on the blue line here. And a lot of tourists. But this bridge, look at that cool bridge. Now this bridge has some interesting history and another guided activity. Learn about this bridge and why it is called the Bridge of Sighs. Let's go back and let's leave the Piazza San Marco because it's very, very busy and explore another part of the city. Let's go over to this park over here, grab our street view friend and drop. Venice is a fun city to explore. Get lost and find your way again. So keep on exploring.
I hope you continue to explore Venice on water and on foot. Use the guided activities to further your experience. And we will see you on another virtual field trip.